Hi, I'm Lauren Kane and I'm the founder of Elm Dirt. I started Elm Dirt in January 2020 when my 6-month-old daughter was eating fistfuls of dirt out of our own backyard, out of our potted plants, and we just couldn't get her to stop. No, she did not have a nutrient deficiency. She just liked eating dirt. And I was worried about all the different things that she was eating, the stuff that we were putting down ourselves, the weed killers, the pesticides, the fertilizers. And so I knew there had to be a better way. Now, my husband Matt had a worm farmer back in his family in the 1980s, and so I knew I wanted to do worm composting on a personal level. Then January 2020, I was like, no, more people have to feel the same way I do. More families want this, more gardeners want this, and everybody wants to get outside a little bit more, and that's where I wanted my daughter to play too. I started out with worm composting in 2020 and realized that this was way bigger of a project than I could ever take on just by sending worms out in the mail and worm castings. And in 2021, that's when we got our warehouse and started researching all the different options for fertilizer. And how we could make worm castings go a little bit farther, because there is definitely a lot of magic in worm castings. And after talking with a lot of experts, doing a lot of research and science articles, as well as having test our products, the experts test our products in their personal lives and their work environments and what we were creating, give feedback, then we were able to develop the plant juice, bloom juice recipes that you guys use today.